Hello, my dear children. Today we are going to learn many vegetables named together in a very fun and easy way. Let's play. Potato. P O T A T O. Potato. Potato means aloo. Tomato. T O M A T O. Tomato. Tomato means tomato. Onion. O N I O N. Onion. Onion means pyaj. Garlic. G A R L I C. Garlic. Garlic means lasun. Ginger. G I N G E R. Ginger. Ginger means adrak. Brinjal. B R I N J A L. Brinjal. Brinjal means bagan. Pumpkin. P U M P K I N. Pumpkin. Pumpkin means kaddu. Peach. P E A S. Peach. Peach means matar. Radish. R A D I S H. Radish. Radish means muli. Turnip. T U R N I P. Turnip. Turnip means salyam. Carrot. C A R R O T. Carrot. Carrot means gajar. Beetroot. B E T R O T. Beetroot means chukandar. Lady finger. L A D Y F I N G E R. Lady finger means bhindi. Cauliflower. C A U L I F L O W E R. Cauliflower means full gobi. Cabbage. C A B A G E. Cabbage. Cabbage means patta gobi. Chili. C H I L L I. Chili. Chili means mirch. Capsicum. C A P S I C U F. Capsicum means Simla mirch. Bitter gourd. B I T E R G O U R D. Bitter gourd means karela. Bottle gourd. B O T L E G O U R D. Bottle gourd means lauki. Cucumber. C U C U M B E R. Cucumber. Cucumber means khira. Coriander leaves. C O R I A N D E R L E A V E S. Coriander leaves means dhania patta. Spinach. S P Spinach. Spinach means palak. Pointed gourd. Pointed. Pointed gourd. Pointed gourd means parwal. Ridge gourd. Ridgegourd. Ridge gourd means torai. Broccoli. Broccoli. Broccoli means hari fulgobi. Fenugreek leaf. FENUGREEK. Fenugreek LEAVES. Leaves. Fenugreek leaves means methi patta. Mint. 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 Mint means pudina. Mushroom. 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 Mushroom means mushroom. Jackfruit. JACKFRUIT. Jackfruit means kathal. Sweet potato. SWEETPOTATO. Sweet potato means sakarkand. Corn. 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 Corn means makai. Cluster bean. CLUSTERBEANS. Cluster beans means guarfali. Turmeric. TURMERIC. Turmeric means haldi. Green beans. GREENBEANS. Green beans means hari same. Colocasia. COLOCASIA. Colocasia means Arabi. Great job, kids. You all did amazing. Now you know many vegetables named like potato, tomato, carrot, peas, etc. Keep learning and keep smiling. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel for more fun learning videos. See you in the next class. Thank you, my dear children. Take care. Bye.